In this video, we will discuss how to send follow-up emails after form submissions in HubSpot. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here and set up your workflow. First, head over to the Marketing tab, and then from in there, proceed to click onto the options for the forms. Now, click onto the forms right here in order to see all the forms that we have available. So here are the forms that I currently have. On my case, let's edit this particular form, or you also have the option to create a new one. I'll head over and edit this newsletter form, and once you have done that, you will be redirected into the forms editor. Now, once you're in there, the next thing you need to do is to actually click onto the automations icon. Click onto this automation icon right here, and then click onto this create this workflow, which is a simple recommended workflow for sending an email after form submission. You can also create a new one by using or collaborating with the assistant right here. Let's click on this create this workflow. Then after that, a workflow will be created wherein when someone has submitted a form or submitted answer on this form, they will receive email. Just need to edit the changes right here in order to actually complete it. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.